player tong si Mitra.
Armado for 3. That's his first to go. And this is one guy in goes kid, Silent Eye. Si John Armado. 3-point shot of the game brought us by Pioneer Mighty Bond. Instant glue. I-Mighty Bond mo. Lacurso. Balik sila kay Baha. Another triple. Gets his third off the ball game despite the defense. 8 seconds dito sa ating second period. 37-35. Abante ang LPU Batangas Pirates. 3-point shot of the game brought us by Pioneer Mighty Bond. Instant glue. I-Mighty Bond. Castorico naman ang susubok. Knocks down the triple para sa PWU.
Players from Diliman.
3-point shot of the game brought us by Pioneer Mighty Bond. Instant glue. I-Mighty Bond mo. Tapos Castorico Jr. Pumalis na naman. Same spot. Same result. Make that 11 now here in the first spot. Kinabahan ka ng konti itong coach.
Nag-iba yung tono ko bigla eh.
3-point shot of the game brought us by Pioneer Mighty Bond. Instant glue.
Was stolen away. Another turnover for UP. Tadeo goes outside. Santelices. Corner 3. That is on nylon. Para sa kanya. Let's look at what happened here. Our Mighty Bond instant glue. 3-point shot of the game. But right after this, there was a block. Kontrolado na PCU Dasmariñas.
Well, nagsisimula talaga sila sa as soon as they get a stop, talaga nakakatakbo agad sila on the other end.
Lorenzo de Mayuga with his Pioneer Mighty Bond instant glue 3-point shot of the game.
Sa kanya ni Sherwin Laran.
This is Laran trying to answer para sa ICC Blue Hawks. Just as we were saying, Coach Jeff, he has that shot.
Able to still make that pass. Kahit sobrang split second yung kinailangan decision making niya doon.
3-point shot of the game brought to us by Pioneer Mighty Bond. Instant glue.